Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wind down after a slightly busy day. I was in the house working and then I went out to run a couple of errands really quick, and now I'm back and I'm ready to wind it down, get ready for dinner, and also get ready for bed because your girl is tired. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok. And let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna really start off by chilling. I come in the house, I just want to sit down. Honestly, I just want to check my Instagram comments because I just recently posted an Instagram picture. If you want to go check it out, show some love. And yeah, I'm just replying to comments, feeling the love. I appreciate you guys so much. And now I'm just gonna get ready to start cooking dinner. But first, I want to make me a nice glass of wine. So shout out to Bright Cellars for sponsoring this video. I really enjoy them. They are a subscription service that pretty much sends you wines based on your preferences. You go on the website, take a quiz, you input everything that you like, you answer all the questions, and they send you wines based on that. So it's kind of like a personalized experience, which I love because for me, I really enjoy wine. I like to have a nice occasional glass here and there. But when I go to the store, sometimes it can be very overwhelming. There's tons of bottles everywhere, and that can be pretty difficult. So I like the ease of this. They send it straight to your door and they send you wines based off your preferences, like I said, so you know that you will like them. You can also choose to be put onto new flavor profiles, new types of wines that you never tried before, which I think is cool as well. So if you are an entertaining household, one, you can choose the frequency of when these come so you can time it perfectly, and everyone can try something they've never tried before, so you can kind of have maybe like a wine tasting moment amongst the girls. Like, that's kind of how I plan to do mine. And you also get sent cards with all of the notes in the wine, so you can really educate yourself and know what you like and what you don't like, so for the next time you can modify it and then be able to be sent things that really are fine-tuned to your taste. So the wine I'm trying right now is called Castello de Verão, and it has notes of lemon zest, tangerine, grapefruit, citrus blossom. And if you're not really into dry wines, this is a really good one to try. So definitely check this one out. I really love the way it tastes. I feel like it complemented my dish as well because it had like some fresh citrusy notes, and then my dish was a little more savory. So I just feel like it had the perfect balance. So yeah, definitely this one was one of my favorites. If you guys are interested in Bright Cellars, make sure you guys are clicking the link down below. I'll leave everything in the description box. Shout out to Bright Cellars. They're actually giving you guys a limited time offer of 50% off of your first 6-bottle box, just like the one that I had. So make sure you guys are clicking the link in the description to see what wine best suits you. Okay, so on to dinner. I'm just making some teriyaki chicken that I actually picked up at Trader Joe's. I thought this looked interesting, so I thought I would just bring it home, and if I needed like an easy meal, I would cook it, and today was the day. Okay, I didn't feel like doing a lot, so I made this, and it was actually pretty good. Like, it kind of blew my mind a little bit at how good it was for, you know, like a frozen type thing, but it was really good. So I'm just chilling. I'm gonna sip on my wine, watch some Netflix, eat my food, and just really chill until it's time to get ready for bed. Okay, y'all, Netflix recommendations. Leave them down below. What have you been watching? I need to know. I've been watching Selling the OC and also a lot of the Untold series. So the one that's really good is The Girlfriend That Didn't Exist. So definitely go watch that if you have watched it already. Don't spoil it. I was gonna say let me know your thoughts down below, but just let everybody watch it and we can discuss it at a later date because that is a documentary. Okay, so yeah, leave your recommendations down below so everybody can have something good to watch. Okay, so shower time. I'm just making sure I kind of take my time. I took an extra hot shower, you know, just really trying to relax myself before bed. I use some body scrubs. I literally use like 3 different ones. Don't know why, but I just got carried away and I use like 3 different ones. The whey one is actually my favorite, but the raw sugar one smells the best. So I definitely use both, okay? So we're out the shower and I'm gonna put on my robe. A lot of people ask questions about this one. It's from Skims. It is one of my favorites. It's so soft and cozy and just soft on the skin as well. Lightweight. It's just amazing, y'all. When it's in stock, definitely grab it up. But now I'm just gonna do a little bit of hair care and skincare. I'm gonna throw some Olaplex oil into my hair just to have it soaking overnight because I did plan to wash my hair the next day. So I just wanted my hair to get a little treatment while I was asleep, you know? And then for my skincare, it's not really my skincare routine because I was trying new products, you know, trying different combos and things like that. So I think I was just kind of experimenting, but still wanted to have a little spa-like experience with the mask and the eye mask and things like that. I really did like that facial mask by Elemis, and then also the eye masks are amazing. Like they are worth it. They're worth every penny. Also, this vitamin E oil, life changing. I love this for my skin. It is just the best. I actually seen it at CVS recently, so you can check there, or you can get it on Amazon. And if you have Prime, it'll get there super quick. I think it may be cheaper on Amazon, so if you are willing to wait for it, then definitely go for it on Amazon. I'm just massaging that into my face, you know, just give myself a little massage. Honestly, anything that I could do to relax myself is what happened. I just really wanted to relax myself because I feel like when I intentionally relax myself, I get better sleep that night. When I'm just kind of rushing to bed, not really winding my body down, I feel like I kind of toss and turn and my quality of sleep is not the best. So I like when I have nights like this where I just make sure that I intentionally do things that are relaxing to me. And that's pretty much the end of this video. I just put on like a lounge set or something and I was just kind of chilling in the bed, and I decided to watch my Netflix in the bed instead of in the living room. If you know me, I don't have a TV in my room because I feel like it's a distraction from sleep, from rest. I feel like when I did have a TV in my room previously, not in this apartment, but in other places that I've lived, I feel like my quality of sleep was just not the best. And I feel like once I made sure that my room was designated for rest, when I come in here, my body is like, yes, let's go to sleep. So I feel like that's helped me a lot. I'm just gonna watch some Netflix, moisturize some lips, okay? And I love you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.